Hello and welcome back to our Facebook page. Let's make these cute broomsticks. We have to cut the circles, make the stick by rolling, then make multiple cuts on the pink craft paper, paste all of them together, paste googly eyes, and look, your mini broomsticks are ready. We are folding a yellow craft paper like this, fold again and put the craft paper inside like we are doing here in the pouch. Cut the excessive part, flip it and make circles on it like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful moving fishes. Let's make them. We have to mark lines on it, then cut it, then we are pasting all of them one after another like this, then add details like its eyes, and look, these are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Look at these bunnies. Let's make them. We are folding a pink craft paper, make multiple folds and fold it from its corners as well, then put the corners inside like we're doing here. Flip it and again fold it, flip it again and fold it. We are making the head of the bunny like this, then twist it and make the tail of the bunny and the bottom part like we're doing here. Put the craft inside and then the ears like we're doing it using your fingers, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.